What's up, everybody? 16-17 Excalibur, half case, 8 box, random teams number 3. Not to mention, whoever gets top spot on the random gets a spot in that 3-caser of Excalibur. 7 times. What's up, newbie nomad? Here we go, guys. 7 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. John! You get the free spot. Nasty John. 7 times. You and Orlando won the 2 free spots on those breaks. And 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Thunder up top, Magic down. Let's do something crazy here. Sort by your names. There you go, guys. Who got the Sixers? Sixers going to Tyler. Lakers going to Rainwater. Chris Long, you got the Nuggets. That's a good one. Possibly Moosey. I mean, I'm not against it. You got the Nuggets, dude. That's damn nice. All right, fellas. If anybody, what's up, Jay? If anybody wants to do any trades, I'm going to put up the chats. Go ahead and fire this up, guys. If you guys want to work out some trades. Nah, you're looking for Jamal Murray. We go grab the case. Got you. Yes, it was, John. You got the free spot in the Excalibur 3-caser, the $195 spot break. You won a very nice spot, John. A very nice spot. An unbelievable amount of cards in that break. In fact, I have no idea why it's not filling faster. So many autos, so many Crusades, so many numbered cards. So much nasty. That trash bag actually worked. You got it, John. So it looks like no trades. The Chris in the orange got kicked in the nuts. What do you got, poppin'? Heat. You're looking for a prayer. You guys want me to go box by box or pack stack? Always in. Box by box. Oh, T-Bone loves it. What's up, Bells? How you doing, man? Boys and girls, tier 1 random teams in the store. Down to 16 last I had seen. You can get into gold standard PYT 6. You can get into gold standard divisional 7. You can get into select basketball. All kinds of fun stuff. The elbow is getting better. Still has pain on it, or in it, but it's considerably better. Our current problem is my right knee. My right knee has decided to be an epic failure at the current moment. I blame it all on orange jello. Good luck, fellas. Hey, Isaiah Thomas right out of the gate. LeBron and James. Monta Ellis for the Pacers to 149. Enes Kanter. Michael Gabinji for the Pistons. Thank you, Ken. Appreciate it. It did. It hurt really bad. Steph Curry. Like hella bad. Taurean Prince to 199. And for the Heat, the Dragon. Had a boy, Bonnie. Kyrie Irving. Whiteside. Kawhi Leonard for the Spurs. Gallinari to 49 for the Nuggets. These cards are so sharp. Chris Dunn. Tyson Chandler to 199. Evan Fournier. Juan Hernangomez for the Nuggets. Basketball for Life, way too many to remember. Kenneth Faried, way too many. Rajon Rondo to 99 for the Bulls. Chris Dunn, Timberwolves. Will Chamberlain, Lakers. Jamal Murray to 145 or 149, the Nuggets. Team War, Hornets versus Grizzlies. Buddy. Drew Holiday to 199, Paul Millsap. Dude, we could do a 3-person team war. The house, a player and a player. One person gets the Hornets, one person gets the Grizzlies, and then I'm the house. The price would come in a little bit less. I pay part of it. Do box wars. Whoever gets more cards, the Hornets or the Grizzlies, wins the box. However, in case of a tie or 0 Hornets or 0 Grizzlies cards, and this is including base cards, the house gets the box. Wow. Is that not brilliant and pure action junkie-ish? Big O. Willie Cauley-Stein, 149. Al Horford. Facts. Harrison Barnes to 149 for the Mavericks. Literally, you guys pay a cheaper price. Dwight Howard. That is true. That is true. I did not think about that because look, there's a Grizzly. Yeah. Base don't count. It's got to be an insert or numbered or anchor jersey. Nasty Ben Simmons. Thus, I would raise the price of the buy-in of the house then, so your guys' price would be cheaper. Damian Lillard. Sounds like the degenerate thing to do. That it is. That it is. I think I'd be more like 100% of the time, Jay. Honestly. Overachieving, Chris. There we go. What's up, D Rich? Oh, D Rich, Corey's wife went in for the induce today, right? What's up, Jimmy? What's up, Robert? Yeah, inducted. If you find out boy or girl, can you let me know? I'm just curious. And you know what Curious did? It killed the cat. Good thing I'm not a cat. Dude, how are you just breaking ribs on demand? Yes. Yes, I do. I am a professional lady maker. Sounds good, Chris. I'll send him on his way. Coughing? You're breaking ribs from coughing? My God, man. Dude, that must be one hellacious cough. I mean, dude, even a Marco Bellinelli kaboom would probably get you like a 60 ball. D-Wade to 199. Jabari Parker. Kenneth Faried. Is that card numbered? I did. I put that in the wrong stack. Kobe Bryant. Papagiannis for the Kings. Dude, that's got to be hella painful. John Wall. I don't think I've ever had a broken rib in my life, but it's got to suck. To 149, Tim Hardaway Jr. Eric Gordon. Kyle Lowry. Yeah, Kobe. Yogi Pharrell. Malcolm Brogdon, number to 149. That sucks, man. Klay Thompson. To 49 for the Magic, Evan Fournier. Whiteside for the Heat. Tim Hardaway Jr. Beef is what's for dinner. Buddy for the Kings. Malcolm Brogdon to 199 for the Bucks. I did not, D-Rich. Fellas, this case is banging. Nicola. You're looking for some Taurean Prince, Dragon. And some DeAndre Bembry. Ben Simmons rookie. But here's Dennis Schroeder to 99 just for shits and gigs. And welcome back. True Daddy Bonic. Kemba Walker for the Hornets. Chris Dunn for the Timberwolves. Kyrie Irving to 199. Jonas Valanciunas for the Raptors. Drew Holiday, the Pelicans. Charles Oakley to 199. Kyle Lowry for the Raptors. James Harden. Number to 149, Jamal Crawford. Oh yeah, the Crusades are beautiful cards. Jerry West. Jacob to 199. And Tony Allen for the Grizzlies. Box number 2 in the books. Because rookie cards are making their return, T-Bone. Number 1. Number 2, he has no autograph licensed rookie cards. So the parallels are going to be super guap. Get your game face on, T-Bone. You know better. You know better. I happen to enjoy it. I very much like it. What's up, Shaw? Wait a minute. Is this the third straight day of McGregor and Merriweather just trashing each other on a stage? Speaking of Cody Bellinger, how much is his stuff down to, though, from the peak? Good luck, Steven. Ben Simmons, draft licensed rookie auto. Well, there you go, Curry Suck. Oh yeah, they are. Where they at? Where are they at today? What is their venue of today? True that, Shaw. Ooh, is that fancy? That's fancy, huh? Yeah, with so much hype, the fight is going to be such a letdown. What's up, John? Oh, what's up with that, T-Bone? Wait a minute, what color? Superfractor? In an actual fist fight, McGregor's going to win that one, I would say. Right? I mean, he's got to. James Harden. Because they're bosses. To 99 for the Raptors, DeMar DeRozan. Darren Williams. For the Grizzlies, Mike Conley to 99. Then he kept calling him out. Will Chamberlain. For the Heat, number to 99, Goran. George Mikan for the Lakers. Karis LeVert, number to 199 for the Nets. Jeff Teague for the Pacers. LeBron James. Cavs. Scottie Pippen. Rodney Hood for the Jazz to 199. Marc Gasol for the Grizzlies. Darren Williams. Giannis. Number 25, DeAndre Jordan for the Clippers. Yeah, straight up brawl. I think Conor McGregor like just wrecks him. LeBron. It's 199 Pau Gasol for the Steelers. Excuse me. Football in the brain. Giannis for the Bucks. Who wore the sunglasses? Chris Dunn for the Timberwolves to 149. Brandon Ingram. Sidney Moncrief to 149 for the Bucks. Larry Legend. Porzingis. Darren Williams. Paul Millsap for the Hawks. And Ben Simmons, rookie. Ryan Anderson to 49. Klay Thompson. Gallinari to 149 for the Nuggets. Anthony Davis. Bojan to 199 and Damian Lillard. Halfway home after this box. That Excalibur 3-case break is going to be so brutal. Oh my god, that's going to be brutal. Dude, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I kind of want a bowl of it now that you just said that. That's right, Rojo. Dude, legitimately, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is freaking phenomenal. I have to agree with that, Ebonic. I really do. I think boxing is... Oh, I don't know, man. It depends on how many punches you're throwing on a melee. Uh-oh. King Cardboard, you're going to Chicago? Bryce Johnson to 199 for the Clippers. Awesome King Cardboard. Paul Millsap. Have to stop by the booth, my dude. To 99, Pau Gasol. Tim Duncan for the Spurs. Kevin Durant. DeMarcus Cousins. Eminu to 149. Porzingis for the Knicks. Russell Westbrook. John Wall to 199. Zebo. Chef Curry. Julius Randle, number to 149 for the Lakers. Kawhi Leonard. Zach Randolph for the Grizzlies, the 49. Oh my goodness, Rojo, you're having a brutal day. Kawhi Leonard. Yogi Ferrell to 149. Avery Bradley. Dario. Guys, I think I'm going to pack stack the last 4 boxes. Maybe not. Jerry West, Lakers. 49, Drew Holiday for the Pelicans. Jerome Williams. Damian Lillard to 99 for the Blazers. Did you just say dinked good? Devin Booker. Dinked good. Ben Simmons, rookie. Jeff Teague. To 199, Durant. Pau Gasol. Giannis. Steven Adams. Damon Stoudemire, number to 149 for the Raptors. Jerry West. Man, you guys are making me actually want to watch this fight. Not yet, Scott. Do 2 boxes. We'll try it, Dave. We got Bowman's Best next, and I'll try that. Yeah, didn't they say something in the first one? Mayweather said something about I'm the $1 billion man or something like that, and McGregor said pay your taxes or something. So at what age is Mayweather Jr. going to be completely bankrupt and broke after his fighting career? $58. How old is he right now? It is BDJ. So much Excalibur going in these outstanding, very, very tiny, good smelling trash bags. What's up, Daily Joe? 45, he says. Certainly possible, okay? We go out there and put on a show. Oh, Rojo, let me fill you in on that. So BDJ goes to pick up the new label maker for the postage stamps and trash bags. And I requested that if he could be so kind to come back with the trash bags because I was fresh out, that'd be outstanding. So fast forward a few minutes, I call him and I'm like, dude, can you pick me up some beef jerky? You know, basically if you're still at Staples. He's like, oh, I just left. I said, okay, don't worry about it then. So I sit here and I wait forever. I call him, doesn't answer. Call him again, a little bit later. Finally answers. I'm like, did you get lost? And he's like, I'm on my way home. And I'm like, what about the trash bags? And he says, you said never mind. And I said, for the beef jerky, man. And he's like, and then he tells me that on the way out of town, got pulled over and got a seatbelt violation. Moral of the story, don't do crack. Don't get a seatbelt violation. They should have a one round of MMA style. That would be awesome. It would be awesome. Perhaps. All right, here we go, fellas. Derrick Rose. 2 boxes is the way I should have done it the whole way. Tim Frazier. Giannis. Bates versus BDJ in a street fight. Oh, man. You know what? I'm going to give the lean to me. Brook Lopez, number 299 for the Nets. Just because of the fast moving. But if BDJ gets a hold of me, it's game over. Andrew Wiggins. The key is just not getting caught. I'd have to Mayweather him. Eric Bledsoe to 149. Darren Williams. Number 49, Ben Simmons. 2 of 49. Nasty Ben Simmons. Nice hit, Furry. Andre Drummond. CJ McCollum, 49. No, it's not 2,500, but it's probably a couple hundred. George Mikan. Mark Gasol. Rick Fox to 149 for the Lakers. Karl Anthony Towns. James Harden. James Johnson to 199. Scottie Pippen. Kid Gilchrist. Eric Bledsoe. Ben Simmons rookie. Damian Lillard. Not yet, Scott. No Kaboom as of yet. Gotta be coming up soon. Number to 149, Buddy for the Kings. Chris Dunn. Alex to 199. Rudy Gobert. A Simmons Crusade to 49 just sold for 202. My guess, spot on. Said 200. For the Grizzlies, Mark Gasol to 149. Paul Gasol. Nope, no Kaboom yet. Elf Payton to 99. Klay Thompson. Kaboom! It's a nice one, too. It's a nice one. These cards are so freaking cool. Giannis! So freaking cool, man. Possibly T-Boner. This has been a damn nice half case, fellas. Absolutely damn nice half case. You still got a long ways to go. D-Wade. Gallinari. To 99, Tim Duncan. Jersey number 21 of 99. Nice hit, Yasar. Draymond. Russell Wilson. Yogi. To 199, Andrew Wiggins. Jeff Teague. Trevor Booker. Jaylen Brown to 149. LeBron James. Trevor Booker to 99. Kyle Lowry. To 149, Aaron Gordon. Kevin Love. Nicola. David Robinson. For the Miami Heat, the Dragon to 99. No problem, Matt. It's a sick card, man. How much did you have to pay for yours? Chef Curry. For 199, Julius Randle for the Lakers. To 149, Marc Gasol. Hortat. Ricky Rubio. $230. Nice. Mike Conley. It's a nice pickup then. To 149, Tony Allen for the Grizzlies. Russell Westbrook. Another Ben Simmons rookie. Georges Niang to 199. DeAndre Jordan for the Clippers. Thon Maker, number to 199 for the Bucks. Tristan Thompson. Jaylen Brown. Paul George, Pacers. Michael Gabinji, number to nothing for the Pistons. And Larry Legend. 2 boxes to go, fellas. 2 boxes to go, and then we're doing that Bowman's Best, and then we could do the Gold Standard Basketball, we could do the Select Basketball, we could do Gold Standard Football, PYT or Divisional. All kinds of fun stuff. And Dana says the yard is even worse. Damn, look at this picture that Dana just sent. It picked back up in terms of the flooding. So flooded. My house actually goes up, so we got like no water in the basement at all. Oh yeah, I would definitely be interested in that piece, Matt. You're the one with the 10, huh? All right, let me read this again, T-Bone. Panini came to you and said, in addition to the cat number 5, we are going to give you any 16-17 RPA card number to 99 that's not Brandon Ingram. Who would you choose? T-Bone, I would not tell you that because that is just a sly way for you to be like, okay, what is Bates buying? I am now going to also buy said item. True that, big dog. I feel sorry for the house next to me, though, man. The next 2 houses, like, their entire property is underwater. The entire property. It's insane. T-Bone, I'm not just good looks, man. I got a brain. Speaking of flooding, I did not think about my rental in Findlay because Findlay always floods ferociously. D-Rich, all the more time to just chill. Matt, you have what? 2 or 3 Karl Anthony Towns silvers. Oh, D-Rich, I actually thought of you last night. When I was driving home, it was raining so bad that there was some frogs just like trying to cross the street. One of them definitely jumped to his death. And I literally was like, damn, I just went frogging. Oh, so then there you go, Matt. I'll give you cash plus a 9.5 for your 10. So I'll keep you at 3. Is your 10 black label or has it got one 9.5? Legitimately, dude. This big ass frog jumped out of the median over into the road, and I mean, I guarantee he became part of the tire. Guilty as charged on that one, Potvin, you turtle massacre. We don't know that. Oh, I know you got only one, but you might as well get 3 9.5s. I think so, yes. Oh, I'm actually driving an absolute death trap right now. I need to get a car. Here we go. Man. Go to 199, Whiteside. Draymond Green. Anthony Towns. Devin Booker. Kevin Love. Jamal Murray. Jeremy Lin to 149. Andre Drummond. LeBron James. Unfortunately, Matt, I'm guessing when that time comes that you want to move it is probably the time that I'm also moving all of mine. Magic Johnson. George Mikan to 25 for the Lakers. Astros 9-2. Interesting. Astros are good, eh? Bill Russell. How many people think the Astros are going to win the World Series? DeMar DeRozan to 49. Bill Russell. Malachi to 149. Kawhi Leonard. Dude, the Astros lineup is very, very, very potent. Russell Westbrook to 99. Damian Lillard. Kyrie Irving. The Dragon to 149 for the Heat. Karis LeVert to 199. Dwight Howard. What pitching staff in the major leagues is dominant enough to shut down the Astros on the regular? I'm waiting. Andre Drummond to 99. Eric Bledsoe. For the Pistons, to 149, Tobias Harris. Dodgers. Nationals. Brandon Ingram. There you go, Matt. Bad News Bears. Porzingis to 149. Joel Embiid. T-Bone, I think you're a closet Dodger fan, to be quite honest with you. Kyrie Irving. DeMar DeRozan. Who's the Nationals pitching staff? Strasburg, definitely beatable. Scherzer, pretty legit, but beatable. occasionally. Another Thon Maker to 199. Mark. Yeah, but I mean, is Max Scherzer going to pitch every game? That's why I said top to bottom. Who's going to shut down the Astros? John Wall to 99. Carmelo. Jerry West. Maddox, Glavine, and Smoltz. Vucevic to 149. Lou Williams, Rockets. They raped the Cubs is what they did, SC. White Sox did very well, in my opinion. Tyson Chandler. Marquise Chris. Kyle Lowry to 199. JJ Redick. Jake Layman to 199 for the Blazers. Yogi Ferrell. Another Ben Simmons rookie. Deonta Davis to 149. Marcus Aldridge. John Wall. The Durantula. Number 149, Porzingis. Klay Thompson. Joel Blumboy, number 199, Michael Kidd Gilchrist. Yeah, it's been a pretty sick break for the Bucks. Last stack, fellas, we got there. Kyle Lowry, number 99 for the Raptors. John Wall. LeBron James to 49 for the Cavs. Jimmy Buckets. Enes Kanter to 49. Rubio. Jordan Clarkson. Anthony Davis for the Pelicans. Nicola to 199. Harrison Barnes. Vucevic. Shaq Diesel. And that, my friends, was the break. Thank you all. Do appreciate it.